Hello everyone, myself Stoppy, and today I'm here with a video which might help you a little on getting back on the track in your life. Now imagine a 10-month-old baby, I guess. Yeah, that's enough. Imagine a 10-month-old baby. He wants to learn how to stand, how to walk, even how to run. Obviously, that's the desire of the baby. Now, instead of grabbing a edge of a couch or using the bed or anything to stand and walk. He just opened the YouTube on a phone and searched how to walk step guide for beginners, how to walk step guide for kids. This sounds insane. I know. Now you might think, what's the baby doing? This makes no sense. But in the baby's mind, it all makes sense. Now, baby is watching a tutorial, 40-minute tutorial. Now, baby is watching a 40-minute tutorial on how to walk. He learns how to put step forward and then how to move your ankle, how to manage your how to manage your body weight while walking. And then he's like, yeah, now I know how to walk. I can walk perfectly. Then he thought, uh, I can make mistakes. Now I'll watch all top 10 mistakes that a baby make while walking. Then I will move perfectly. I will just learn in one day. Then nobody can beat me. Then he watches a video of top 10 mistakes that baby makes while walking. Then he's like, after watching, now I know how to walk perfectly. Now I will not fall and I will, I will tease other kids like I learned walking in just one day, not even one day, 1 hour. Now you might wonder what's the baby thinking, what's it's in what is in its mind that he's just watching tutorial. He will never learn how to walk like that. But you are doing the same thing. You are just watching the video, how to write code, how to get better at communication. And even you are not practicing. You are just watching the tutorials again and again and again, different YouTube channels, but the same content. They all tell same thing, do practice, do practice. You can't learn how to write without picking up your pen or pencil. In when you were a kid, the teacher used to grab your hand and move it like now writing A, B, C or K or Uda, Ada, anything, all that. And that's how you learned it. You build a muscle memory. Now imagine you are watching a C programming video. I will write code. I will make a operating system on my own in C language or any language you want. You're watching tutorials again and again. I make this mistake. I must watch the tutorial again. That's what's in your mind. That that was in my mind too. But after some time, I realized that I can't uh, do things just by watching a tutorial. I have to pick up my phone or laptop, anything you code in, and then start writing a code. Now, you may make mistakes. Even I make mistakes while writing a code. That's normal. You may stumble when you are on a stage to do a performance, giving a speech, or addressing the audience. Even I do. I get nervous when I'm at stage. I take a deep breath and then start. Even my teacher forces me to do that. She says, get on the stage and speak about this topic. And I do that. Now, after I get from the college, I sometimes do practice. I sit in the front of mirror and I talk like to myself. Today we are going to talk about this topic. I am my own audience, and even you should be proud of you that you are your own audience. You are your first audience, I would say. Now back to the topic. You are watching tutorials again and again, and you are not moving a single step ahead. Your your brain is just like, yeah, now I know this thing, I can do it efficiently. But in actual, you don't know how to do it. You will like forget while writing the code, or uh, when you get on the stage, you will be like, what to do, what to do, what to do. You will not learn how to do anything until you practice it. Practice makes everyone perfect. That's what my teacher says. Now, uh, how can we solve this problem? The tutorial trap. How to escape from it? You must do only four things. Ah, here are my notes. You must do four things. At least four things, I guess. First, you should just watch one tutorial. No more, no less. Only one tutorial. So that you get an idea of how to do this thing. Like, you can't start writing uh, to code. Like, you have to read somewhere. Even when you learn a language, you first understand its basics. So you have to watch one tutorial so that you get a overview. Like, yeah, this is how I'll do it. This is how to do it, and then you have to do it yourself. Watching a tutorial won't make you a perfect person, but practicing it will make you a perfect person. Around that field of interest you may have. Now, how can you practice it? You may sit in front of mirror and do it in front of yourself only. Be your own audience. Uh, or you can sit in the friends if your friends are sportive. Yeah, I know the problem. My friends are sportive, don't worry. Now you have to make a audience. Now you can review from them, take review from your friends, or uh, and other thing, you shouldn't be a shy person. Yeah, you shouldn't be a shy person. You should have the courage to get on the stage in order to make yourself better. It's you. You have to make yourself better. No other person will make yourself better. Only you have the ability to make yourself a bit better every day. It's not like your mother will come or your father will say, now you do it. Not even a friend will come to you and say to do it today. You have to make that discipline. You have to add it to your daily routine that I have to do it. Now I will do it myself so that I can be better at it. Now, after you do it, you may find some mistakes. You may do some things which are wrong in it. Yeah, like you are understanding, right? Uh, Even while writing, we still still make mistakes. Like when you're writing, you write a spelling wrong and then you cut it and then you move forward. Now, what you should do? Imagine you're learning a coding language and you are like, yeah, I make mistake here, then you should write it so that it remembers, it stores in your mind that you make mistake here. Now that you wrote it somewhere, so it will be in your mind for a long time. You may review it every day that you made mistakes here and here and here, and then you should correct them. Or like, you are on a stage and you are speaking something, but you stumble at a word. Now, what you should do, you should practice that word again and again. You can apply these methods to any field. It's not like this is only uh, pointed to coding or speech, I would say. Yeah, it's not only limited to it. You can apply these steps to any field, any field you want. Now, after that, when you do it again and again, you will get better at it. Yeah. You may not become a perfect. Like nobody is perfect. Everyone make mistakes. Everyone learns, but you will get better at than others comparatively. You will be like, wow, this person is so good at this. Everyone will admire you. It's a good thing. Now I have a quote for it. You can't blame the ladder for its long steps if you are not moving your hands to grab it. Yeah, that's written by me. You can appreciate me in the comments. Now, everything is sorted. You have watched the tutorials, you're practicing, and you're writing your mistakes that you, I would not say writing, yeah, addressing. You're addressing your mistakes, reviewing them every day, and becoming perfect. That's what you should do instead of just watching tutorials again and again and again. Like, yeah, some people's, even I used to watch, I would say 10 tutorials around a topic, and then I would be like, now I can do it. But when I get on the stage, I was like, what to speak. I don't know how to speak, but yeah, everything worked fine in the end. Yeah, yeah, that's it for the video. I hope it helped you. You can ignore the video quality. Just uh, I forgot what to say. Anyways, just focus on the content quality. Uh, give the video a like and a subscribe if you like it. Yeah, subscribe the channel. It will encourage me to make more tutorials. Yeah, I would not say tutorials. I would say tips and tricks or self improvement. Yeah, self improvement. So, thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Yeah, see you in the next one.